Hi everybody, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you the ways to download videos from Safari on iPhone. To download videos from Safari on iPhone, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. There are different ways you could actually download videos from Safari. First of all, you want to open Safari and find a video on the website you want to download. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Pixabay, a library of a royalty-free stock footage. So once you are on the video page, tap the download button or link. If you don't see jump to the next section on Pixabay, and you'll also have to select a video quality and hit the green button or download button again. On the next field, after tapping the download icon for a video in Safari, you should see a pop-up menu with two options, View and Download. So tap on Download to save the file. You'll notice a tiny arrow in icon and a circular blue process bar in the Safari address bar indicating the download status. And that is how tap Safari's arrow icon and pick Download to open the Download Manager. The manager lists the downloaded files which are saved in a folder inside the file app. And that is how you can locate it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.